Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Bluetooth headset to your XIAOMI F Pro TV. So I'll be using my tiny headphones from Soundcore, and the first thing that you're gonna have to do with your headset is put it into pairing mode. Now, if you want to know how exactly to do that with your headphones, you're gonna have to check the manual for them, because each headset turns into pairing mode in its specific way. However, one mutual quality of the device in the pairing mode is that it starts flashing rapidly, like these headphones right now. And once your device is in pairing mode, you're gonna have to go to settings on your TV, then select remotes and Bluetooth devices, select other Bluetooth devices, then go to add Bluetooth device, and wait until your headset appears on your TV screen. Select it, wait until it's paired to your TV, and right now it's done. And right now your audio is being transferred to your headphones from your TV. And if you want to unpair your Bluetooth headset, you have to press the menu button or three stripes button on your remote control, and then press OK button to confirm. And so that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.